An amide link is formed when an acyl chloride reacts with a primary amine. Name and outline a mechanism for the reaction between those two there, and give the IUPAC name of the organic product. So yeah, it's got a reminder down there for the name. I'm going to start with the mechanism, and then I'll do the name of the mechanism. So CH3, CH2, and then display where it's all going to kind of happen here. So there's the Cl, and then NH, H, CH2, CH3. There's my lone pair there. Always a good idea to put dipoles on, so D plus, D minus. The lone pair of electrons here will form a bond with the D plus carbon. The weakest bond around that D plus carbon will break, which is the pi bond in the carbonyl. And the electrons that are in the middle of that will go to the oxygen, because the oxygen is the most electronegative, pulling those pairs of electrons towards itself anyway. So there's step one, and these are two of the marks for the mechanism. So let's have a look at the intermediate. So CH3, CH2, CO with a minus charge now. There's the lone pairs. Chlorine over here, and then nitrogen, hydrogen, CH2, CH3, again making sure I'm aware of connectivity here, and then a positive charge on here. So what we get with the intermediate is we get 3 arrows, 2 charges, okay? So common mistakes is either one of the charges is missing, or the curly arrows are incomplete. So from here, there's one there reforming the carbonyl. We know that the carbon-chlorine bond, that's going to come off. And then in order to kind of remove that positive charge there, we get that. So let me do my final kind of product down here. So CH3, CH2, CO, that's reformed. The chlorine has come off. So I've got NH and then CH2, CH3. Okay, so this is a nucleophilic. Let's just have a look why it's nucleophilic. So here's my reagent, and you can see that it is donating a pair of electrons, which means it's a nucleophile. And this is the addition, because it adds in one step and then eliminates in the second. Addition, elimination mechanism. The name of the organic product, so we're told earlier that it's going to be an amide, so that's going to go at the end. And I've got 1, 2, 3, which means it's going to be propanamide. And then this bit over here, so this is an ethyl, and it is on, now normally we use numbers, but we haven't got a number, we've got an N instead, so that's going to be N-ethyl. So N-ethyl propanamide.